Assalamu alaikum. And first of all, how are you today?
Alhamdulillah, I'm pretty good by the grace of Almighty Allah. What about you, sir?
I'm also pretty good by the grace of Almighty Allah. Could I know your full name?
Yes, my full name is Mohammad Sujan Mirdha. My friends and family love to call me Sujan, so you can call me Sujan.
Where are you from?
I'm from Borshal, which is most beautiful and economically important division of Bangladesh. And I was born and brought up there. I have been living here for last couple of years and for my education purpose.
What do you study?
I'm a student and I have completed my SSC and Diploma 2016 and 2020. And right now I'm a student of BSc Engineering at Shonaga University and in the Department of Mechanical.
Great. So, where's your future plan?
And every person have future plan, and I have also future plan. And my future plan is when I will complete my BSc, and then after completing my BSc, I want to go abroad for my higher education.
Have you chosen any country to go?
Yes, I have chosen. My first choice is USA and Canada, and this is my first choice. And if I can't able to go there, and I'll try Australia and this kind of European country, which education system is very good, and to go there.
How many members do you have in your family?
First of all, I have to say that I'm from a nuclear family. My family consists my parents and I have an elder sister, but she is married. She lives with her family, and my father was an expat, and now he runs a small business. My mother is an housewife. And so my father is a very strongest woman, and he's a hero for me. And mother is I can't see a strongest woman like my mother ever in the world. And I love my mother so much, and my parents also love me more than anything in this world.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is white because it suits me, and we know that white is the sign of peace. That's why it's my favorite color.
And what's your favorite food?
I have lot of favorite food. More specific to be deshi chicken, which is made by my mother. And whenever I go home, my mother feed me deshi chicken and say that's yummy.
What's your hobby?
I have lot of hobby, notable them traveling, hang out with friends, and roaming Dhaka city middle of the night. And you know, traveling is the common hobby, and whenever we get bored, we go we take a tour, and it's make our mind to refreshment, and that's why travel is more very important for our life. And roaming Dhaka city, we all know that Dhaka city is a polluted city. But if you want to see the real beauty of Dhaka city, you have to go out after a certain time, after the middle of the night. You can go after 12 a.m. and you can see the real beauty of Dhaka city. No polluted, no people in the road, no quarrel on the road, no traffic rules. So you can travel as you wish, and you can have lot of fun and hang out with my friends. That's one of my best hobby. Whenever we get bored, I go outside. I hang out with my friends. I feel refreshment, and sometimes I get I get upset and I have mood off, and then I go outside. I hang out with my friends and I get refreshment. I get well.
Wow, great. How many friends do you have?
More specific to say that I have more than 500 friends, and I have and there are different kinds of friend squad. And I have to say that first of all I study in my primary life in my village. Then I have shift another institute. It's my union institute. It's the famous institute in our union. Then after completed my SSC, I go Borishal. There's a Borishal Polytechnic Institute. There have a lot of my friends, and then now I'm doing my BSc from Dhaka. There have also my lot of friends. So I have a lot of friends, and my best friends also. I have a lot of best friends, and not all them Mamun, Tanvir, Iqbal, Sharif, Redwan, Turjo. They are my best friends, and I have also best friend that is Ghulam Rabi Saqib. They are my Borishal Polytechnic best friend.
Okay, I got it. So you're very friendly, I think that.
Yes.
I would like to know that. So whenever you came here, so you could not speak in English very well. So right now you can speak in English, Alhamdulillah.
Yes.
So how is it possible within 2 months?
I'll give full credit to Rahat's English Care and the faculty of Rahat's English Care. And you can say that you are the founder of Rahat's English Care, so you all might know that's the rules of Rahat's English Care, and that's an amazing system, amazing rules. And if they are the full of environment to is learning speaking English, And if you want to learn a speaking language, so you have to stay those languages. And Rahat's English can make this environment. And if you when we are stay in a residential, we can't speak a single Bangla word. That's the main point of Rahat's English care. And whenever you speak 3 months in English, then it's quite possible to you will be a fluent speaker. And they have and our faculty are so very good. They give us different kinds of tips and rules and teaching system. Wow, and practice this them. And so if I can say that if anybody want to learning English and want to admit any kind of course, so they can undoubtedly come here. And if they maintain the rules of Rahat's English Care, they will be able to speak fluent within 3 months.
Thank you very much for your speaking. I'm very pleased and try to speak all time that way. And Alhamdulillah. So I think that you'll be a very good speaker. Now you can speak very well. Okay, best of luck. Yeah. So আপনার কাছ থেকে এখন একটু বাংলা জানতে চাই। এতক্ষণ তো হচ্ছে ইংলিশে কথা বললেন, যারা হচ্ছে আপনার মতো ছিল বা যারা ইংলিশ শিখতে চাচ্ছে, তারা হচ্ছে আপনার কাছে কেন মনে হয় রাস ইংলিশ কেয়ারে আসা উচিত? একটু বাংলায় যদি আমাদেরকে বলতেন।
স্যার, আমি ফ্র্যাঙ্কলি বলতে চাই যে বাংলাদেশে যদি হচ্ছে টপ দুইটা ইনস্টিটিউট থাকে, তার মধ্যে রাহাত ইংলিশ কেয়ার থাকবে একটা। কেননা রাহাত ইংলিশ কেয়ার সিস্টেমগুলো অসাধারণ, আর এখানে টিচাররা খুবই সুন্দরভাবে পড়ায়। এখন এখানে হচ্ছে মেন্টর সিস্টেম আছে, আই মিন ইনস্ট্রাক্টর। অ্যান্ড প্রত্যেকটা স্টুডেন্টের ধরা হচ্ছে ইনস্ট্রাক্টর গাইড করে। অ্যান্ড 24 আওয়ার্স হচ্ছে স্টুডেন্টরা ইনস্ট্রাক্টর গাইডের আন্ডারে থাকে। অ্যান্ড সাপোজ একটা স্টুডেন্ট হচ্ছে পড়তে গিয়েছে, তো সে হচ্ছে কিছু সমস্যার সম্মুখীন হয়েছে, সে তৎনগত হচ্ছে তার মেন্টরকে জানাবে। তার মেন্টর এনি টাইম, ইট মাইট বি 3 AM, নো প্রবলেম। ইফ যদি তার হচ্ছে 3টার সময় যদি তার মেন্টরকে বলে, তার মেন্টর তার সমস্যার সমাধান করবে। দিস ইজ দ্য ওয়ান অফ মেজর রিজন। অ্যান্ড আরও হচ্ছে যে টিচারের টিচিং সিস্টেমটা আমি তো বুঝছি, টিচারের টিচিং সিস্টেম অসাধারণ। আর এখানে কোনো বাংলা এলাও না, সব টোটালি হচ্ছে ইংলিশে কথা বলতে হবে। আর 3 মাস টোটালি হচ্ছে একটা ইংলিশ এনভায়রনমেন্টের মধ্যে থাকবে। সো এনিবডি ক্যান স্পিক ইংলিশ ইফ দে ক্যান কেম হিয়ার।
Okay, thank you very much.